Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic standard deviation. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and if you are a student of statistics or project management, you will see this topic in the exam. If you are a student of university level, either from project management or either from statistics, this is a very important topic with respect to statistics or project management. So you will see this topic in the exam. At least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam. Secondly, friend, as a professional, IT professional or any accounts or statistics person, you must have to know the concept of standard deviation. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Standard deviation. Friend, standard deviation, it is basically a Greek letter and the sigma or this symbol. This is the symbol of standard deviation. It is a measure that is used to quantify the amount of variation or dispersion in a set of data values. It is expressed as a quantity defining how much the members of a group differ from the mean value of the group. Okay. Friend, and the main concept of standard deviation is that how much you are varying from the mean value. For example, that means, for example, if we have if we have 5 students which are having different heights, okay, so if the average height, we want to know that what is the variation from the average height. Average height is the mean value, and the variance mean that how much you are varying from the average value. So that is called as the concept of standard deviation. If you just see the term here, friend, standard deviation. Deviation means deviation from the mean value, okay, the average value. So there are two components mainly in the standard deviation calculation, mean value and the variance. Mean is the average value or like the middle value basically, and the variance means the minus like from the left side and from the right side, okay, how much you are varying from the mean value, okay, in the in the from the left side or from the right side. For to explain the main concept of standard deviation, friend, I just want to give you a very simple example in detail to you, so that you can understand the main concept of standard deviation. For example, friend, you have 5 students in a class, and the height of first student is 150 centimeter, second student height is 160 centimeter, third student height is 170 centimeter, and fourth student height is 165 centimeter, and fifth student height is 155 centimeter. So you can see, friend, here if we have 5 students in a class, so every student has different height. Okay, now we want to apply the concept of standard deviation on this data. Okay, like 5 students are there and every student has a different height. Now we want to calculate the standard deviation. So how we can calculate the standard deviation here? First of all, we have to calculate the standard deviation, we basically need two factors or two things. One is mean value and second is variance. So to calculate is mean basically is the average value. So what we will do, we sum up all the values of the heights of the students and divided by 5. Why 5? Because 5 students are there. So once we sum up all the values of students heights, like 150 plus 160 plus 170 plus 165 plus 155, divide by 5. So we have the average value is of 160 centimeter. 160 centimeter is the average value or it is the mean value. Now we got the mean value. Now we have to calculate the variance actually. So how we can calculate the variance? To calculate the variance, subtract the mean height is 160 centimeter from the height of each student, square it, add them together, and then take the average. So we apply this formula here, and after calculating, after putting all the required values in the formula, we apply the values, and then we get the value of variance is 50 centimeter. Now see, The mean value, average value is the 160 centimeter, okay, and the variance is 50 centimeter. So we know the mean value as well. Now we know the variance as well. Now standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. So standard deviation is equal to square root of 50. So if we have taken the square root of 50, that will become as 7.07. Hence the standard deviation is 7.07. Okay, are you with me? First we have calculated the, see what is the approach here. First we have calculated the mean value. By using the mean value, we have put the values in the variance, and by using the mean value we have calculated the variance, and standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So by using the variance we calculated the standard deviation. Standard deviation is 7.07. So friend, what actually we got the information, we got the information that average height of a student is 160 centimeter. How we have calculated this? We have calculated this from here, friend. Like we have added all the values of students here, we sum up all the values here, and after dividing it 5 we got the 160 centimeter. So 160 centimeter is the average height. So the average height or mean is 160 centimeter, and the height of most of the student varies from 152.93 to 167. Okay, how we have calculated this variance? Basically, see from here, we know that the standard deviation is 7.07. okay, we have calculated this from here. Standard deviation is 7.07, which was the square root of 50. So the height of a student varies from 152 to 167. How we have calculated that? 160.1 7.07 to 160 plus 7.07. See how we have calculated this variance. See, average height was 160 centimeter, so a standard deviation was 7.707. So at from left side we have subtracted the 7.07, the standard deviation, from the mean value, and on the right side we have added 7.07 in the mean value 160. So in that way we calculated, once we subtracted 7.07 from 160, we got the value 152.93. Once we added the 7.07, which is the standard deviation, in the mean value 160, so we got the value 167.07. so in that way we got the range 152.93 to 167.07. So that is called as the concept of standard deviation. In that way standard deviation tells us that what is the mean value. Also it tells you the variance from left side, from minimum range to maximum range, or from left side to right side. So friend, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.